English 3. First name Cevicheria de Brie. Location Viaducto al Morro. What type of food is served? In the restaurant, the cevicheria is serving everything related to type food of the Pacific region in what highlight the best preparation of seafood such as shellfish ceviche, shrimp ceviche, churchill, corvina, crabs, and coconut soup, stuffed lobster, among other preparations. The special of the house. It is the shrimp ceviche. This stays accompanied by Patacon lemonade beverage. How is the serving? The serving of the cevicheria de Brie is very keen, time, and complete by the standard of restaurant nationwide, prioritizing custom satisfaction, the happy people in restaurant. You must invite your parent of visit you. Tobacco is a tone of peace, love, and tranquility, and thus the restaurant Cevicheria El Puente. Why, as his recognition for its good service in with different municipal, departmental, national, and international events are held by a wide variety of seafood and content of the vicinity of ambassador, minister, president, and many recognized personalities. Thank you.